अगर आपको उर्दू और अरबी फ़ॉन्ट्स का लिंक चाहिए तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बताएं। शुक्रिया।
Preview.
Let's start editing. Make 3 layers of name PNGs. Convert first layer color from white to black. Then change all layers' moods. First layer linear dodge. Second layer multiple. Third layer hourly. Then add gradient color in this layer. Select pixels. Click on an icon and gradient. Paint. Select first section of colors. Then click on HSL. Then adjust the brightness.
%, 100%, 10%.
Now select first layer. Add bevel. Click on FX. Bevel. Blur. 2. Angle. 45. Color Wati and distance. 2. Add stroke. Select pixels. Then make one empty layer. Click on an icon. Then fill in stroke. Change type. Select stroke.
Width 1px.
Done. Then extract out stroke from selection. Now if there is no shadow of this name, it will seem useless. So select multiple mood layer for shadow. Then click on FX. Drop shadow. Angle 45. Color black. Blur 1. Distance 4. Then done. Select last layer of hourly mood. Make duplicate layer. Convert this layer from hourly to linear dodge mood. Now click on selection. Select pixels. Then add Gaussian blur.
80.
Done. Add color in this layer for best results. Select color from your choice. Make the color as you wish by experimenting thoroughly. Congratulations! You have watched the entire video. I hope you liked this video, so please like and comment on the video. Thank you for watching.